This is dedicated to Anurag Avasthi. We have a lot of questions on Neech Bhang Raj Yog, and we need to clarify a certain thing on Neech Bhang Raj Yog. Neech Bhang Raj Yog is created when a planet which is debilitated is associated with a planet of which where it gets exalted, or when it is with an exalted planet and with various other positions. Considering the kind of literature we have, every planet which is debilitated can have a Neech Bhang Raj Yog. But first and foremost, for a planet to have a Neech Bhang Raj Yog, it must show its properties of debilitation. Only when it has gone through the properties of debilitation will it then move towards a bhang, that is a breakaway from that debilitating state. When it is in conjunction with any other planet which is exalted, say in the case of Jupiter, Mars, or in the case of Venus and Mercury, then we can also see very strong consequences. Well, when a planet which is debilitated goes through a Neech Bhang Raj Yog, it would only be able to do so when it is associated or when it is helped by that exalted planet or by the planet which, in case of Jupiter and Venus, because Jupiter would then be uplifting Venus. But on that account, Jupiter, or for that matter, Mars, or whichever planet is in exaltation, would be having to let go of some of its properties, some of its good karakatvas, or letting go of some of its shakti, so as to say. In that case, during its tenure, during its dasha, antardasha, or pratyantardasha, it would not be able to give its own results in full because it has already given some of its results during the period of the debilitated planet. So, even though the Neech or the debilitating planet will have gained during its period, would have gained during by this conjunction, by this association, or by this aspect, it is the other planet which will have lost. There will always be a balancing factor. So the Neech Bhang Raj Yog also comes with its own set of problems, or so to speak, balancing issues.